This rightly guided Khalif is the one about whom 1050 narrations have come, of which 4 are sahih. And the Prophet ﷺ said, with regards to him, he is famous amidst us as the Mahdi. And this is part of the beliefs of the Ahlul Sunnah, that a person will come who will be from the lineage of the Prophet ﷺ. The Rasul says, the Mahdi is from my lineage, as in from my progeny, from the children of Fatima. And then he ﷺ says, his name will be my name. So his name will be Muhammad, and his father's name will be my father's name. So he will be Muhammad ibn Abdullah. And as the earth was filled with wrong and oppression, he will fill it with justice and peace. This righteous ruler, Ali radiallahu anhu, says, the Mahdi is from us, from the family of the Prophet. Allah Rabbul Izzah will prepare him for the office of leadership in one night. So the Mahdi doesn't know he is the Mahdi. And the Mahdi doesn't have the competencies of the Mahdi until one night. In one night, Allah will transform him. The ahadith mention that a king will die in the Jazeera, in the Arab Peninsula, and the sons or 3 sons of a king will fight and quarrel over leadership. And to avoid this quarrel, this man, Muhammad ibn Abdullah, will leave Medina in secret and go to Mecca, because he doesn't want to be involved in the conflict, nor does he want people to turn towards him. So when he goes to Mecca, his aim is to avoid getting tangled up in this leadership struggle. Yet people follow him from Medina into Mecca, and they find him and they take him out, and they bring him to the Kaaba, and there they will make bay'ah to him when he doesn't want it. And as soon as they have pledged allegiance, 2 things will happen. Number 1, an army will march out from Syria to attack this progeny of the Rasul. And the Prophet ﷺ, listen carefully, is in the house of Aisha radiallahu anha, and he is asleep. And in his sleep he starts to move. He looks uncomfortable. He's displaying what he's never displayed before, discomfort and sleep to the extent that he's moving. Then he got up. So she said, Ya Rasulullah, I have seen you do what you normally do not do. So the Prophet ﷺ said, strange is the situation. An army will come from Syria, intending the house of Allah, from my ummah, seeking a man from my progeny to attack him. And in another hadith, وَلَفْظُ al-Bukhari, an army will come campaigning towards the Kaaba till it reaches the Bayda. And Bayda is an expanse of land between Mecca and Medina, a flat desert land. When it reaches there, the Prophet ﷺ says, the earth will suck them in.